Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about a job notification from Department of Atomic Energy, Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research AMD. Application are invited only through online mode. Last date for receipt of online application 24th October 2021. There are several posts. First, Scientific Assistant B, Physics, pay 35,400. Age limit for unreserved is 30 and for OBC 33. There are total 4 posts. Educational qualification for the post: the candidates should have BSc honors in physics with minimum 60% aggregate, or BSc with physics, mathematics and chemistry with minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc with physics, mathematics and geology with minimum 60% aggregate marks. Secondly, Scientific Assistant B, Chemistry, pay 35,400. Total number of posts 5. The maximum age limit as on 24th October: ST 35, OBC 33, EWS 30, UR 30. The candidates should have BSc honors in chemistry with minimum 60% aggregate marks, BSc with chemistry, mathematics and physics with minimum 60% aggregate, or BSc with chemistry, geology and physics with minimum 60% aggregate marks, or BSc with chemistry, mathematics or geology with 60% aggregate marks. For Scientific Assistant B, Geology, you can follow the notification. For Scientific Assistant B, Electronics Instrumentation, you should follow the notification. There are several posts for different disciplines of engineering. For Technician B, Physics, Electronics or Instrumentation, pay 21,700. The minimum qualification for the post is minimum 60% marks in SSC plus ITI certificate in electronics, instrument mechanic or electronics. Age limit OBC 28 and UR 25. And for the other post, you should follow the notification thoroughly. I will give the link of the notification in the description box. So there is a post called Upper Division Clerk, pay level 25,500. Total number of posts 16, and the candidates should have a degree of a recognized university or equivalent with an aggregate of 50% marks. Okay. There is a post for driver and security guard. Other requirement for the post of security guard post is given here. The application fee for Scientific Assistant B, all disciplines, is 200. For Technician B 100, Upper Division Clerk 100, driver 100, security guard 100. Application fees should be paid through online only. So age relaxation, there is age relaxation. You should follow the notification thoroughly. The selection procedure for Scientific Assistant B, all disciplines, there will be a written examination and then interview. The pattern of written examination will be question type, objective type of multiple choice question relating to primary qualification of the post prescribed. Number of question 100, marks 300, negative marks -1, duration of examination 2 hours. For other post, you should follow the notifications thoroughly. There are some general conditions relating to the posts, so you can follow the notification for this. I'll give the notification in the description box. There are the examination center. The advertisement has been published in Employment News dated 9th October and in national and local newspapers dated 9th October 2021. Last date for receipt of application is up to 23:59 hours on 24th October. Payment should be made before 24th October. And for further update, you should follow the official website. I will keep the link of the official website, so you can subscribe my channel for further job updates and other updates. Thank you.